Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a controller to your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you want to connect a PlayStation or Xbox or any other gamepad, then first you need to put it in pairing mode, and I'm gonna explain it for the PlayStation and the Xbox controllers, and if you have a different one, then you should just read the manual. So on the PlayStation, it'll be pressing and holding on the PlayStation logo and the share button, which is this one, until it starts blinking blue. And on Xbox, there will be a pairing button that you just need to press and hold for about 3 seconds until the Xbox logo starts breathing. And then on your Samsung, go to Settings, then on the very top, find Connections, then find Bluetooth, make sure it's enabled and select your controller. Then click on Pair, and now it's connected. You can see I can even use it in the settings. Click on the circle to go back and do anything else that I want. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.